My name is Ludovico Villanueva, BSIT FSM 2A. Glass waste refers to discarded glass materials that are no longer in use and are considered waste. These include broken glass, news, bottle, jars, windows, light bulbs, and other glass products. Disposing of glass waste properly can harm an environment, and we need separate glass waste from other trash before recycling, reducing glass waste static and reusing jars and containers at home. Paper post-consumer waste. Paper discarded by consumers often use, such news old newspapers, news notebooks, envelopes or packaging, often collected for and recycled, where it is processed to create new paper project. Recycling helps conserve natural resources, reduce energy consumption. Plastic waste refers to discarded materials made from synthetic or semi-synthetic polymers that are designed to be durable and lightweight. Common examples include single-use items like plastic bottles, straw, grocery bags, packaging materials, and food consumers.